Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do the super simple everyday look. There's some really pretty browns, a little bit of shimmer. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start off with the Porefessional. Next, I'm going in with the Becca Full Coverage and in shade Olive. And I'm just going to do a pump and a half. This is extremely full coverage. You really don't need a lot of it. Like, really don't need a lot. I'm just going to dot that all over. Then I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender and press all that in. Next is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in shade 290. So I'm going back in with my Beauty Blender. I'm going to go in with a HD Pro Concealer in shade Deep. I'm going to set that with the Fenty Beauty setting powder and butter. What I prefer to do is to tap it into the lid. Leave just enough to go on my face. And then use that nifty stopper. Again, I'm going to go with the clean side of my Beauty Blender. And I'm just going to press that under my eyes. Next is my Bahama Mamba with an angled brush. To highlight my cheeks, I'm going to go in with the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil. I'm going to pump a little on the back of my hand. Throw a few drops on the top of my cheeks. Go in with my Beauty Blender. And work it in. To set my eyes, I'm going to go in with the PLouise base in shade number 1 Rumor. So for today's look, we're going to be going in with the Huda Beauty New Nudes palette, and I'm going to start off with the shade Play. Next shade we're going to go into is this shade right here, and it's called Teddy. To deepen the eye up more, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Raw. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Bear. I'm going to go in with this concealer shade in the center of my eye, and then go in with Daydream. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Tickle, and I'm going to use that to blend the center to the outer corner. Next, I'm going to go in with the Rollerlash, and I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to do that off camera. See you guys in a second. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Play, with the shade Teddy, and with the shade Raw for my under eye. My mascara, Better Than Sex, top and bottom. To finish off my face, I'm going to go in with the Jouer Cosmetics highlighter in Skinny Dip. Next, I'm going in with the Colourpop blush in shade Parallel. Now I'm going to go in with the MAC lip pencil and It's Really Me. So now that the look is done, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. If you want to keep seeing looks like these, if you want to keep seeing looks like my other ones, you know, let me know. Leave a comment, share. I'd love to know your opinions. And again, thank you guys for your continued support. As long as you keep supporting, I'll keep making them for you. Have a good one.